Welcome to SAT Math question number 38 here on Wagner Academy. It says, let the function f be defined by f of x equals x minus v. And if f of 5 equals negative 9, what is the value of f of 2v? So a lot going on here. We got this function to start off with, f of x being equal to x minus v. It also tells us this, that f of 5 equals negative 9. So it looks like if I plug in 5 for the x value, this whole part right here, the x minus v part, becomes negative 9. So I can think of it like this. I can think, since f of x, f of 5 equals negative 9, I can replace this side with a negative 9. And then this other side, since I plugged in 5 for x, f of 5 equals negative 9, therefore I'm replacing f of 5 with negative 9. I'm replacing x with what I plugged in for x, with a 5. And then I can solve for what v would be from there. So from here, subtract 5 from both sides, and you're left with negative 14 equals negative v, which would mean that 14 equals positive v. So not our final answer, but pretty important piece of information right there. And if we were to plug this back in, we could also check and verify that that worked out. So f of 5 would have been 5 minus 14, which is negative 9. So that works out. V has to be 14 then. And if we now figure out what f of 2v is, now that I know what v is equal to, that should be pretty easy. I've got 2, it's still going to be the x minus v, but now I'm plugging in what is 2 times v, 2 times 14, in other words, that would be 28. And I'm plugging in, this is my function value, so I'm plugging in 28 for x, and I know v equals 14 from before. Therefore, f of 28 would have to be 28 minus 14, which is 14. It just happened that these two were the same answers. Didn't have to work out that way, but this one, your answer should be 14.